This is a day in our life. This is what we do every Monday. So I start prepping my week. I start writing all the appointments that we have and anything that I missed from last week of things that I want to accomplish that week. I go ahead and I put it in my to-do list. So I had to put Jace on quiet time because he was acting up, and quiet time pretty much means that he gets to sit on the sofa and he gets to read a book and just pretty much relax and calm himself down because he's like overreacting over the smallest little things. Say hey, Grandma. Where are we going? To look for the rocks? Oh, where is it? Oh, it's over there. Slow down. On Mondays, we have a doctor's appointment with Jace's chiropractor. We usually get there early and we do these walk runs. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that we go on rock searching. So here we're just like searching for rocks around the neighborhood before our appointment. To see Jace's chiropractor. On this day, they were gonna do a heat test on him, so we were just waiting on the doctor. That's why you will see us in this room, and then later on you'll see us in the different room, which is the adjustment room.
Choo-choo train. It goes chugga chugga chugga. That doesn't hurt. It goes chugga chugga chugga. Chugga 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 chugga. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Wow. Wow. Wait. What's going on? Hang on 1 second. Nothing. Oh man, come on. Great, that worked for me. Good. Wait, yeah, I can put a shirt on and then I'll adjust him in the other room. Okay, wow! You did it! He grew just from the first time I seen him.
It's like non-stop.
Let's go! Let's bring the truck. Yeah, bring the truck. Yeah.
What did Dr. Kathy give you?
Yeah.
Colors? Wow, that's so cool. Are we gonna go see the rock again? Oh, okay. Hey, where are you going? Target. What happened? You were just fine. Hey, you were just fine. Stop. Ow, that hurts. Calm down, calm down, calm down. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay, me love. You're okay. All right? You're okay. You're okay. Jacito, stop. Stop. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah. Okay. What happened? Yeah. What happened? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What happened? You were just fine. Huh? You okay? It's okay. I'm right here. I'm holding you. It doesn't happen that often anymore now, but he every so often will have these meltdowns that are for no reason, and all he wants to do is be hugged, and that's pretty much what we do here. It really don't last that long, and he just switches from like crying to like being happy and being creative, like you see in this clip.
Ready, set, go!
And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had a glimpse of what our day looks like.